starting with simple 3 petals roses. I'm going to connect flower bunches with a curved line. So I'm drawing guideline before drawing flowers. Add simple flowers to make the bold roses pop. Add leaves. Add thin leaves to make it more classic. Five petals small roses. Repeat the same technique. Also add bold vines. Always let the outline to dry a bit before shading the petals. Now connect the lines. Add humps. Darken the line and draw another thin line. Darken the center part of the petals and leaves for that 3D look. Watch me create this beautiful, easy border. Draw straight lines with less gap. Add big dots. Again, classic leaves to finish off the finger. Simple filling tutorial. Watch this carefully. Draw crossed lines. Draw plus in the connected parts. Now fill the empty lines with vines. Simple flower bunch. Draw thin spiral fillings. It will make the flower bunch to stand out. Now finishing off with vines on the connecting line. I hope you all like it. Let me know in the comment if you want to learn any other designs. Like this. If you stayed till the end, that means a lot.